Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Kade ngibuka ividiyo njengamanje ye-March and March into eyenzeka namhlanje leyo ngoba ividiyo yakhona ibhalwe idate. Bengena kwi-CBD angazi noma yaseDurban noma yaseGoli kodwa usisi abamngenele onesaloni umZulu. Kugcwele ama-client akhe lana ekumele awenze amakhanda, bayamngenela i-March and March ngokuthi bayamatsha. Bathi na akavale isitolo sakhe ayeke lento ayenza baze bamshaya on top of that. Bafowethu i-right yini leyo nto? I-right yini leyo nto? South African-ke njengamanje kade nikwenza kuma-foreigners is fine. South African-ke njengamanje nimvalela isitolo, nimrecruiter ngenkani to support your idea. Phela lento yokuxosha ama-foreigners i-idea leyo. I-idea kumele ngiyabuka nje uthola ukuthi ubona abantu besithuka lana, abanye baze bebhalela abanye ama-message ukuba-threatenisha bebasongela ngalento. Usongela umuntu ngokuthi unombono wehlukile kunowakho, akahambe yomisa i-March and March. Uyabona njengoba sesikhuluma la TikTok, asikaze sitoyize indawo sithi siyomisa i-March and March. Sisho our opinions, sisho our ideas. Kodwa lo mqondo futhi obhedayo kakhulukazi usuka eKZN esizweni samaZulu. AmaZulu iningi labo banawo lo mqondo lo wokuthi akaphikisani nomuntu. Banawo lo mqondo ukuthi akakwemukeli ukuthi khona umuntu othi mawuthatha u-right yena athi yena mina ngi-right ngo-left. Akakwemukeli lokho abaZulu, most of them, more especially ma ukuthi leyo nto i-recruit abantu ngomqondo we-tribe. Ma kuthiwa nje sukuma Zulu nenza ukuthi, ma ukuthi wena uthi mina ngizohlala ekhaya, uhlala ekhaya, ungayi-oppose, ungakhulumi kabi ngaleyo, uhlala ekhaya. Abanye bazofuna ukuzokulanda kwakho bethi ngena asambe. Sambe ngenkani manje, uyindoda enjani ehleli, umZulu onjani ohleli, hamba umqondo obhedayo wakwaZulu. Ngangokuthi futhi baningi abantu abafile nangey'khathi zodlame ngayo leyo nto, umuntu ebulawela ukuthi akekho kwi-IFP. Ma engekho kwi-IFP, engabonakali kwi-IFP, kwaziwa ukuthi kushuthi lo u-ANC, that is why, noma uyingcelebani yamabhunu. Why engekho nathi kwi-IFP? Kube khona abavele ba-create ngisho iy'tori ma ukuthi umuntu akamthandi, unobutha naye, avele athi hhayi loya uyinkatha or loyana uyi-ANC, bese abantu bezombulala, bezoshisa umuzi, bebulale ngisho ifemeli yakhe. Ngenxa nje ukuthi yokungakwazi ukumukela ukuthi umuntu nawe unengqondo esebenzayo ngesingaye, unalungelo lokukhetha into akafuna ukuyikhetha. Ekuyila estakhe khona-ke eKZN. EKZN banalowo mqondo. I'm sure nje ama-supporters e-EFF ase-KZN ayifeel i-pressure already manje eKZN ngoba banomqondo ukuthi kukhona abantu ekumele badicayidele abanye abantu ngenkani. Umqondo-ke mina enga-against-ke vele wona, ngi-against vele wona mina umqondo wokuthi khona abantu nje angazi banikwa ubani lelo gunya, uNkulunkulu noma ubani, wokuthi bakwazi ukuthi bedicayidele abanye abantu. Lawo bantu mabengenzi lento abafuna ukuthi bayenze bebe in support of yona, labo bantu sekungabantu abangamambuka noma noma abathengiwe, ngazi noma kuzothiwa abathengiwe yini. Kodwa engingakusho nje, lento ye-March and March abantu bengayithakasela nje, kodwa kunokuthi izokwenza izinto zabo zibe better, impilo zabo zibe ngcono, izokwenza impilo zabantu zibe worse. Bona futhi laba abahluphekayo, laba bathi babasiza bazobenzela izinto zibe worse than before. Siqale nje kuzo lezi zitolo lezi okuyizona ezisiza labantu abakwi-middle class nabantu aba-rich. Imvama abathengisha ukuthenga ezitolo zamaSulumane, nanama-service amaSulumane abawasebenzisi. Laba abantu okuyibona abasasokola, abasadonsa kanzima financial, ibona abadiphendele kubo bona labantu abangama-foreigners. Ngangokuthi uma ungabasusa kuzosafarisha bona futhi labantu okunzima ngisho ukuthi akhiphe u-20 rand aye mall, anga-afford ngisho lokho, uyi-afforda once in a month mayiholile noma ethola i-grant. Kodwa manje sesikhuluma la khona ekumele zisuswe lezi zitolo, sekumele agibele mayothenga ngisho ethenga izinto ezincane. Uzosurvive yini? Ila khona i-reality ezokhipha in khona. Bese kuthi number 2, laba bantu njengoba nivala ama-China Mall, nivala iy'tolo zamaSulumane nibashaya, lo muntu uqasha ama-South African phakathi awu-10, 15, 5, 2, 1, uqasha ama-South African. Iliphi uhlelo nalo lokureplace leyo msebenzi? Ngathi i-country is sitting at a very high percentage of unemployment, and then sekukhona-ke i-percentage edwa yinina yabantu ekumele bayeke. Ngisho ngathiwa nithi baxhasha bahola iy'mali ey'ncane o-2,000 per month, that is very better than nothing kumuntu o-serious ngempilo. Ehola nje mina ngikhona, ayikho imncane imisebenzi ebhedayo engazi ngiyisebenze eholela kancane, sebenze inqwaba imisebenzi ngimncane. I understood from there ukuthi yena angikwazi ukuhlala ekhaya ngithi le mali encane, ngihlala ekhaya ngicelane nabantu imali, ngidinga yona leyo mali ukuze umsebenzi oright nempilo engcono izongifica ngendlela, futhi kwaleyo mali encane iyona ekumele ingisize ukuze ngifinyelele la engifuna ukufinyelela khona. Yini ke ngcono u-2,000 noma u-1,000, ngisho ngathi u-500, ngoba phela leyo mali already iyamhlula ugovernment wakho lokunika u-350 per month. Uyamhlula nje, uhlula ngisho ugovernment wakho. So bafowethu, lento ezokwenzeka la abantu bazobeqedela abantu imisebenzi, uthi nje umuntu usumbona bephuma belandelana esitolo se-China, senibaqedela umsebenzi nivala. Kuthini lokho? So nje manje ningenela-ke ngisho ukuvala iy'tolo zama-South African angasaphothi lento eniyenzayo. Nenzani? Kuyicala ungavumelani nani lento eniyenzayo? Kuyicala kuphi? Ngoba akekho la eMzansi inakunjani iMarch esike yavuka ethi melana neMarch and March. Ama-South African ayawuhlonipha iMarch yenu, umbono wenu, kodwa futhi-ke akumele-ke silwisane futhi nathi masinombono wethu ohlukile kunowenu. Mina nje iMarch and March kimina udoti, kimina umsangano, kimina ilidwa ngabantu nabo aba-questionable. Bonke laba bantu bokubanake kusukela koNhlanhla Lux, koZandile, koJacinta, oPhayile Umthakathi, koNgizwa, iningi labo abantu abaphanga abafisa ukuba ama-political leaders at a high level. Ubobabona abanye bagcine mabe sebehlulekile, uzwa kuthiwa esephakamiswa esejoyina i-political party mawukuthi usehlulekile uku-achieve lento ade efuna uyi-achieve. Abanye baphuma kwamanye ama-political parties, bayabona ukufika le phezulu kunzima, ngeke kwenzeke kule political party, sekumele baqala into yakhe ezomenza avelele, mayivelele kahle futhi engayiqala i-political party, mayihlulekile at least bazobe sebemazi ukuthi uyishoshovu bese bayamparashutha bamnika isikhundla kuleyo political party, njengoba lo sisi nje lo wedudula sebemnika isikhundla kwi-HNSA nobani usizokuthola uXolani nabamnika isikhundla ethi umuntu has no background epolitiki waba prominent ngalento yakhe.
I am very glad that the person raising these points is a Zulu person, is a Zulu man, yes. He is basically talking about the incident that happened where a Zulu woman was attacked in her salon, yes. And everyone that was there, they were actually chased away to say, go out, even the clients and everything, which was very heartbreaking, man. It was really, really heartbreaking to witness because this woman, obviously, maybe she have a family, she have kids that needs to eat, school fees needs to be paid, bills needs to be paid. And she have to go to work. If she don't go to work, which means she cannot be able to pay for those bills. And here people, grown men, here they are coming in out of nowhere and tell her to say, why are you here? Why are you doing this? Meaning Uguti, she must follow what they follow. Guys, everyone have their own right to follow what they want to follow, to decide on which side to follow. And that lady, obviously, she saw Uguti, okay, if I sit down and follow this much and much, the month is ending. What am I going to pay rent with? What am I going to pay school fees with? Obviously, I have to go to work. But there she is. She was attacked, guys. She even made a TikTok video crying, and it was just something else. And this man is 100% right because, guys, I've been saying this, or if much and much is that effective, we're supposed to be seeing change right now. By this time, we're supposed to be seeing a difference, to say, okay, the difference between when they started and now. But there is nothing. There is no difference in there. Nothing have changed. It's still the same. Unemployment rate is still high. Even it will be even worse because now some South Africans that are working for these my friend, they will have to leave these jobs since my friend are closing down. People that are renting out their properties to these my friend, they are now going to struggle because who's going to rent out that property? Guys, this is actually causing more damage than we think. This is causing more damage than we think because these marches, they're causing a lot of chaos in South Africa, a lot of violence in South Africa. A lot of things have been happening and we've been seeing videos on social media. It's not nice. It puts South Africa in a very bad picture, which it's very sad because not all South Africans are like that. Not all South Africans think like that. There are some South Africans that are against whatever that is happening. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?